Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Reddit account. Now before I get started right here, I'm going to kindly remind you that if you're using your iPhone, your phone, your tablet, any other gadget, or any other devices, rather than one I'm using right now, for example, I'm using a Windows OS on a PC or desktop, it's perfectly fine if you're using any other devices, especially there's Apple devices, MacBook, or iOS. It's the same of course for Android devices. That being said, please open any browser of your choice on your phone, maybe your tablet, okay? And then, once you're here, just head on to your Reddit account. Now once you're on the Reddit account, click on the settings, and then user settings or account settings for phone. And then at the very bottom part, you're gonna see delete account option. Once I click that one, to deactivate your Reddit account, you need to create a Reddit password first. We'll walk you through it. So click on it and then okay, now since I don't have a Reddit password as of now, I need to create that one from the email that I used it to. So I'm gonna open my email. So if you don't have a Reddit password, because I use my Gmail to create a Reddit account, I'm gonna have to create a password first. As you can right there, I'm gonna create a password real quickly here. So if you're doing the same as mine, you don't have a password set up, you should be doing the same thing as I'm doing right now. And then with that one, click on save never right there. I always click on those. Go back here and click on continue. Something went wrong, and then click on reload right there. And then with that being said, click on delete account. So we're sure to see you go, help improve Reddit, tell them why you're leaving, verify your identity, click your username and password with that one. And basically, that's how you delete your Reddit account. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.